Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video I'll show you what to do when your Windows keeps loading and doesn't go anywhere. So we'll start by doing hard reset. So for that just long press the power button until the light goes off. So once the light goes off just restart the laptop again. Looks like the problem is still there. So we'll go and do another method which will go and see the startup menu. For that we have to go and click shift plus X together. So first, before that we'll just shut down the laptop first. So just press shift plus X continuously so that it goes to the startup menu. So once the startup menu comes here, go to the diagnostic. Then here you can find so many options like system check and everything. You can check the latest BIOS or not. Once you see what are the options available there, you can do a diagnostic test. So here on the symptom test, we'll go one by one. But before that, we'll just explore other things. What are things available there, so that you knows what to do for the next time if something happens. Here you can do the component test of every component of the laptop. Then this is the test logs where we'll find if we have run some test before, and we can obviously contact the help as well. Then we can check the diagnostic update if they are up to date or not with the language selection. So now we'll go to our symptom test and do number 4, where we'll check boot related issues. So it will give all the tests are passed or not of the boot related. So it is passed. So we'll go and select the different one, which is hard disk test. So it looks like the hard disk and SSD are also passed. So we'll go and do the system restore, where we'll do from HP recover. And HP recover is the built-in recovery feature available in HP Business, where it will allow you to reinstall the operating system without the need of different bootable pen drive. So here we'll reinstall the new operating system through the network connection, where it will download a verified image from HP server or from a corporate network. So once all the process finish, then the OS will get installed. Since it removes all the data, so make sure you have a backup of the data of your laptop. So all the process will take roughly around half an hour. So in this way you can reinstall the new operating system on the laptop if something goes on the laptop without need of different bootable pen drive. You can directly reinstall the operating system from the HP recovery from the image server. So here comes the Windows screen, home screen. I mean the startup screen where you can set up everything and goes to the home screen. So this is how you reinstall the operating system. And so in this video we'll learn how to do a hard reset and do a diagnostic, as well as reinstall the new operating system without the need of bootable pendrive.